Unlock pro-level drill sharpening with our Z26 Drill Grinder from GRTX. Portable, accurate, durable with diamond grinding wheel. Sharpens twist drills 513-526 mm. Apex angles 95 to 140 degrees. Positive rake front cutting edge, rear angle chip flute. And easy center transverse blade adjustment. AC 220V, powerful 250W motor at 4,400 revolutions per minute. Only 22 kilograms, ideal for any workshop. Sharpen bigger drills precisely, extend life, save costs. DM us now for quotes. Follow for more.